students. We will start today lesson number 13 from our textbook, page number 180. So we will start over here. That is, how many times 976 children are going on a picnic. They will be taken in minibuses. If 25 children can go in one bus, how many buses does they need? 2 children have solved it. Check it how they have made a mistake. Correct it. Discuss. Look over here. 976 divided by 25. 25 fives are 125. After subtraction 851. Then 25 tens are 250. After subtraction 601. 25 tens are again. After subtraction 351. Then again 25 tens are 250. And after subtraction got over here 100. 101 and 24 fours are 100. So that is still 1 is remaining. We need 39 buses. So plus over here 10, 10, 10, 30 plus 5, 35 plus 4, 30, that is 39. And another one student done like this way, that is 25 20s are 500. After subtraction got over here 6, 7, 9 में से 7 9 में से 5 माइनस करे तो 4 होना चाहिए था, बट यहाँ पे 7 लिखा और उसके बाजू में 4. That means this one also done mistake. So answer, we need 40 buses. So this one also wrong. Next, how much petrol? Isha has rupees 1000 with her. She wants to buy petrol. 1 liter of petrol cost rupees 67. How many liters can she buy? Money with Isha, that is 1000. Cost of 1 liter, that is rupees 67. So liters of petrol she can buy. 1000 divided by 67. Right over here 1000 divided by 67. 67 two-digit number. That's why we have to take over here first 2 digit. But first 2 digit is very less. So we have to take over here 3 digit. Now 67 twos are 134. It will greater, so put over here 61, 67 ones are 67. (33). Bring down this 0, that is 330. Now 67 multiply 3. 211. 201. Next 67 Forza. 268. 67 fives are 335, it will be bigger. So apply 4. 67 fours are 268. 52 remaining. If keep point over here, bring down 0, that is 520. Now 67, 9s are 603. It will bigger. So 14-liter petrol will buy and 52 rupees still remaining. 14 liter. If Isha comes to your city, how much petrol can buy with the same money? So you have to ask your father what is the rate of today's petrol. Then you divide it by, divide these rupees then with 1000. So Isha will buy 14 liters of petrol and still 52 rupees remaining. Next come Children's Day. Children's Day. Children are happy today. They are celebrating Children's Day. Each child will be given 4 colored pencils from school. The school has got 969 pencils. To find out how many children can get pencils, the teacher asks them to divide. So here it is Iru's way. Iru done this way, that is 696 divided by 4. So first divide this way, 400s are 400. After subtraction 569 come over here. Then again use 400s are 400. After subtraction 169. Then 440 are 160. After subtraction 9 come over here. Now 4 2s are 8. 1. Keeping point over here, bring down 0. Then 4 2s are 8. That is 2 upon 10. Point after first digit. 10 minus 8, 2. And for the point come over here again 0, that is 20. 4 5s are 20. Now Shreni's way. She is doing like this way. 204s are 800. After subtraction 169 come over here. Then 44s are 160. 9. 4 2s are 8. 1. Point keep, bring 1 0. Then again 4 2s are 8. 2 and 0. 4 5s are 20. 2 upon 10 means point after first digit. 5 upon 100 means point after second digit. So complete Iru's and Shreni's way of division. What is the answers you get? See, in both the cases answer will come 100 plus 100, that is 242.25. Here also 242.25. Yani both the cases got over here 242.25. Come for the next page. Shivangi did it by a shortcut way. I learned it after a lot of practice in this you have to remember many things. I know that I have to divide 969 with 4, but I first only look at 9. I put an arrow to remember to bring down 6. See, this is the Shivangi's way, which one I already taught previously when I explained our workbook. So here it is, first 4 2s are 8, that is take the first digit, only one digit, 4 2s are 8, 9 minus 8 1, bring down 6, 4 4s are 16, next bring down 9, then 4 2s are 8 and the remainder is 1. So I remember to bring down 9 and divide it by 4. How did you start with 9? Iru asking. So now you only look at 16 divided by 4. What after that? But then you are left with 1. Yes, this is the remainder. One pencil is left. She told, yes, which one is remaining? That means it is the remainder. It is the remaining. That means after dividing it, all the children, one pencil left, one pencil is remaining. Whoa, I can't remember so many things. I will do it my way.